Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to practice to make questions and we are going to answer with yes, it is. Okay, children, before we start, I want to do a quick recap of he, she, it, and they. He. He is for a boy. She is for a girl. It. It is for an object. Object means thing. We use it for animals too. But well, remember that it is for only one. Children, imagine that I have two or more dogs. Do I say it? No. We use they for two or more objects, for two or more persons, for two or more animals. We use they. Okay, children, let's focus on it. Children, repeat after me. It is a scale. It is a scale. It is a rat. It is a rat. It is a candle. It is a candle. Excellent. Children, when we are sure about something or when we are positive about something or when we are right or correct about something, we say yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Yes means sahi. Okay, let's practice some examples now. Questions and answers. So now let's see how do we answer to questions with it. Check the first question, children. Is this an elephant? Now, is this an elephant is a question. We have to give answer now. Check the picture. What do you think? Is this an elephant, children? Yes, सही. हाँ, ये elephant है. Right. Yes, when we are sure, when we are correct, when we are right, we say yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Yes, it is. Right, children? Is this an elephant? Yes, it is. Yes, it is the answer now. हाँ, ये elephant है. Let's see another example now. Is that a chair? Okay, come on, children. Tell me, is that a chair? Look at the picture. Do the picture reading now. आपको क्या दिख रहा है? कौन सी पिक्चर है? चेयर की है या कोई और ऑब्जेक्ट है? Is that a chair? Yes. हाँ, सही. It is. Is that a chair? Yes, it is. Children, when we answer in negative, we say no. N-O, no. When we do not agree to something, we say no. No means nahi. No means nahi. Question and answers. Okay, children. Now let's see how do we answer to questions with no, it is not. First question is this a rabbit? Children, is this a rabbit is a question now. See the picture. Do you think this picture is of rabbit? No, it's a giraffe. Correct? Yes. So answer will be no, it is not. नहीं, ये नहीं है. ये नहीं है rabbit. Yes, children? Is this a rabbit? No, you don't agree, right? Yes. This picture is wrong. So answer is no, it is not. Next question. Is that a hut? Okay, children. Is that a hut? Check the picture. Do you think it's a hut? No. It's a bag, right? Yes. You are not agreeing. ये सही पिक्चर नहीं है. ये हट नहीं है. ये बैग है. So, you will answer no, it is not. नहीं, ये नहीं है hut. Correct, children? Yes. I hope you all understood. Okay, children? Put the date here. Answer these questions now. We have to answer these questions. First one. IS is THIS this. Is this a BALL ball? Is this a ball is a question. Okay. We have to now give a response. We have to now answer it. Is this a ball is a question. Now see the picture. Is this a ball, children? Is it a correct picture? Yes. So we will write yes, YES, yes. Yes, it is. Children, we are using it for object or for thing or for animal. We use it. Just like for boy, we use he. For girl, we use she. Okay? Yes. Come on. Is this a ball? See the picture. Is this a ball? Yes, it is a ball. Correct, children? Good. Now let's do the next one. IS is THAT, that. FISH, fish. Is that a fish? Is that a fish is a question. See, question mark. Now we have to answer. We have to see the picture and then write the answer. Are you seeing a correct picture? Is that a fish? Do you agree? Yes, because it's a picture of fish only. Is that a fish? Is a question and answer is yes, it is. Come on, let's write yes. 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 Come on, put comma. Then write IT, it. Yes, it is. One finger gap is. And then full stop. Next one. IS is THAT, that. PARROT, parrot. Is that a parrot? Okay, it's a question now. Is that a parrot? See the picture. Do the picture reading. Is that a parrot, children? Yes. Yes, it is. Come on, let's write yes. YES. Yes means huh. Yes, comma, IT, it. Yes, it is. One finger gap and then write is. हाँ, ये parrot है. Okay, next one. IS is. THIS, this. Is this a CAT? Cat. Now question mark. Is this a cat? Yes, children. Is this a cat? Yes, it is. Come on, write yes. 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 Yes means huh. Comma and then write IT, it. Then IS is. Give one finger gap and then write IS is full stop. Yes, it is. Now, last one. Okay. IS is THIS, this. Is this a BAT, bat? Come on, see the picture, children. Is this a bat? What do you think? Yes, it is. हाँ, ये bat है. Come on, let's write yes, YES. Right? Then put comma. Right? It, IT, it is. Full stop. Okay, children. We are done here. I want neat handwriting. Take care. Bye-bye.